Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What's popping?
What's good?
Today we're gonna do the Touch My Body challenge. So it's our first time, so bear with us. I hope it goes well. I know it's gonna be fun, but we know each other's body like so well.
I never tried this before, dog.
We know each other's body so well. I think that he'll know. So yeah, and we're wearing hoodies, so we're gonna have to like make it work in a way. So yeah, let's get right into it. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, you ate me because you could wrap the paper. Exactly. So you going first.
Let's go. You go aqui, don't see too.
Nah, I'm not.
Guess what?
Another one.
Nah.
Two tries only. Two tries.
Only one.
Two tries. Is that your ear? Okay. 1 point for me, keeping score. So we're doing it out of 5. No,
why you didn't know that?
What?
I don't know. No, for by la touch by la.
It is touching it.
Nah, I ain't touch shit.
What do you think it is?
Is that their nose?
No.
What was that?
My eyelashes.
Okay.
It's another point for me. Oh. Okay.
Nah, your turn.
No.
Nah.
It's one. It's two. It's two.
One.
No.
One.
No.
One.
Was that your cheek?
Nah, that was my arm. Fuck that.
Hey, no freaking.
I'm not chilling. That was your soft lips.
No.
What was that?
My tongue.
Your tongue? But you know, guys, I was close. Close your eye.
3 points for me.
Okay. What was that?
Your lips.
That was this.
What? How?
Of course, because I put it here and you touch it. Gang.
Your
I got
cheek.
tricks. Nah, I got tricks.
What is it?
So passing a call, bully.
We so fast to go.
I'll try. Oh my, I'll look back at that. It's a password to my another try.
You're moving.
Again, that was a nose.
No, that was my ear.
Okay. What was that?
Your abs?
Nah, that was my neck. You gotta do something fucked up. Again, the same thing. I think that's your hair. What was
That's
that?
my cheek.
Fuck. Okay.
Your stomach. You know why I got you?
Because
Because of this on my hand. So
that was your boobs.
no,
Yes.
my turn.
What was that?
A kiss.
Nah, it was this.
What are you laughing?
I don't know. We were laughing, you know, some chicken.
No.
So why you keep laughing? That was a teeth.
Okay, so this round, it's only one tries, and this settles who's the winner. Because at this point we lost track of who's, you know what I mean. So whatever. You guys leave in the comments who's the actual winner. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ah, I got you. What was that?
Your chin.
Nah, it was my forehead.
What? Close your eyes.
Is it me? Why you bring down?
What was that?
That was a knife.
No, that was my butt.
What? But he was one finger. If he was like a grab, I could tell.
You guys enjoyed this video, okay? So it was lit. So finally, none of us won. I mean, it was a tie.
That's new.
You know, so it was a tie, but we had lots of fun filming this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Of course.
Comment, like, and subscribe. And we're sending help and love to all small YouTubers just like us. So just DM us, leave us a comment saying that you subscribe, and we'll just subscribe right back, because we subscribe to everyone, right? Because we believe in small YouTuber community and supporting one another. So we love you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Hope you guys are being safe during the quarantine
Subscribe.
moment. Yeah.
Share, like, okay, that's it.
Take lots of precautions.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands. Stay at home.
Mask on. You know the deal.
Yes, sir. So love you guys. Bye.
Bye.